Welcome to this episode of Cooking 100-Year-Old Recipes. If it's your first time, you're very welcome here. I'm your host, Stephanie, and in this episode, I am making a dish called chicken a la Stanley. And Stanley apparently likes an unusual, I'm going to call it a culinary curveball with his chicken, which is a banana. Something tells me that there's a reason this recipe has fallen out of fashion because I've never seen it in a restaurant in my entire adult life. It's not a plantain. It very specifically says bananas. So, me being an open-minded eater, I'm going to try this for your benefit and for my curiosity, frankly, and see how we go. The rest of the recipe looks delicious. You will see from the ingredients, and after I give it a try, I'm going to tell you what I think of it. So you come with me and let's go into the kitchen. A la Stanley calls for chicken cut into pieces for serving. Then cut an onion into thin slices. They don't need to be perfect. They're going to be pureed later. Melt butter in a pan, then add the onions. After they've been stirred around, add in the chicken pieces, then cover and cook for 10 minutes. While it cooks, I prepare the bananas. They are sliced, then dipped in flour. After that, they are browned on both sides in butter. After 10 minutes, add the chicken stock, then cover again and cook until meat is tender. I cooked it about 25 more minutes. After the chicken is done cooking, I removed it and put it into the oven to brown, which is not noted in the recipe, but I did that to add more flavor and color to the final dish. The time in the oven was just a few minutes while I made the sauce. Rub stock and onions through a sieve. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter to the empty pan and work in a tablespoon of flour. Then cook 1 minute to get rid of the flour taste and an additional minute to add more depth of flavor before adding in the onion sauce. After combining the flour, butter, and onion sauce, add in cream to make a sauce of the right consistency. Arrange the chicken pieces on a serving dish. Put the bananas on the plate to garnish. Then pour sauce around. Okay, I have made the dish. I have eaten the dish, and I really have to admit the sauce itself is delicious. And why wouldn't it be? It's onions, it's stock. I use homemade stock. I make my own. It's cream. There's a lot of butter in it. So it's a very classic, kind of, I would call it a French style sauce. Good depth of flavor, lots of umami. And for something that doesn't have pronounced seasoning like herbs or garlic, it really is quite a lovely, creamy, flavorful sauce. That said, the banana really brings nothing to the dish. There's no texture to it. It's just a mushy, warm banana, and it tastes like chicken with a banana that's put on the plate. Now, it could be that Stanley really enjoyed that, and maybe people were too polite to say they didn't like it. But people like what they like, right? So I've tried it. I thought maybe there would be a sweet, savory thing going on with the dish, but that really wasn't the case. Something like that, I would think maybe apples or raisins would work better, but the dish is a banana. So I'm staying true to the dish. I did not alter it other than browning the chicken after it was done cooking while I made the sauce. And that I would make again, and I think it would even be family friendly if you have little young people in your home and you make rice with chicken and a vegetable that everyone enjoys. It would be delicious with that. So if you would try it, I would love to hear your comments, and if you put a banana with it, I would really love to hear what you think about that, if maybe you like it a little bit more than I did. All right, I will see you in the next episode. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this, and hopefully I will see you again. Bye.